Hey guys, welcome back to my channel tonight, bro. Manny came out with a little bit of fire in the car. We find out it was one of the spark plugs with oil. Hit like, hit share, subscribe, smash that subscribe button. Thank you for 780 subscribers. Hopefully by the end of the year we get to 800, right? All right. So tonight, before I even say nothing, guys, I want to say there's one big shout out to Will. Yeah, I was at dinner with my wife. Will show up, and he asked me if I was getting in the garage, and I kind of blow him off because I didn't hear very well. That's a true story on that. And my wife's like, yeah, you know, he recognized you. So I called him back, took a picture, put it on Instagram. Will, I'm sorry about that, but Will, if you need anything for your car, help or anything like that, any advice, thumbs up, like my video, say, hey, Freddie, I saw you, you know, and we take care of you, bro. We're happy over here. So we're working tonight on 98 Honda Civic, and basically when we did this, I think it's 6 months ago we did this, a year. What? The whole valve cover gasket.
Yeah, 6 months ago.
6 months ago? 6 months ago we did the valve cover on this car, and when we were working on it, we broke the screw. No, we didn't break it. The screw himself was threaded the wrong way. We fixed it. You know, we homemade fixed it. You can watch that video. And so with that said, today finished broken. So I did a homemade remedy for now. That should get him back and forth to work, so we can go to the junkyard and hopefully find the part that we need. Because you can know, you go to the junkyards in my local area and they look like piranhas, like people went through there and ate everything. And I don't have another head. If I knew so, if anybody in my local area group, they have a 1.8, 1.6 V6 head for the UM model car, I'll buy it for you. I need some parts for it. I mean, just changing the spider on it will be quick enough for doing that. But tonight we're gonna do an oil change. We already did the valve cover gasket on it. The car starts and runs perfectly now. I'm gonna teach you how to do an oil filter change on this car. It's very easy. If you don't know how you do that, I'm teaching you right now. When you come over here, bring the light over on the floor. So basically, this is what we're talking about here. First thing you want to do, guys, is very easy. You go out in the car, you pop the gas cap, take out the radiator, the gas cap off, releasing the pressure from the tank. That's what Manny's about to do right now. And in the meantime, since I don't see this car very often in my garage, because he used this car every day, I'll check through everything, make sure. If you don't recognize this car was an original and back of my shop. The car was no motor, no transmission, no wheels, just sitting in the back of my shop. When I moved and I lost my shop, I brought the car over to my house and I've built it the way it is right now. You got it done, bro?
Yeah.
Alright, come over this way. Go ahead and bring me a 17-inch from here. And gonna be another 17 and 19. And it's gonna be, for the bottom, it's gonna be 2 wrenches. For the top one, it's gonna be a socket. There we go. Look what I got for the S2000 fuel rail. That's for another video. Guys, Christmas time, hit the merch. The merch store. I'm giving you, I think it is 10% on the jackets, and the shirts are 5%. When you order the thing, send a message, say Guy Gene. On the video that we're fixing in Manny's Honda, he said this. And he will confirm with me and I will give it to you guys. Get it up? Alright guys, so the bottom one, basically, you grab this right here, you lock it up on that one. And Manny, it's gonna be a 15 actually. Let me see that one from the top. So, the top one, put it right here. On this case, we got this right here. you're gonna see fluid coming out. Now guys, this is something you don't want to lose. You see those little rings right here? It's two of them. One here, one on the bottom. So this is done. I just love that smell. And basically now you gotta go to the bottom. And loosen up. Benny, give me a flathead grabber. Let's take this off. Ages, where are you, bro? There you go, man. So now you got more space because you can put it right here. Actually, man, give me a 14. This is what I hate. This is knuckle, breaking your knuckles right now. There we go. Alright. So after you get it loose, you can basically come here, leg it up. Okay, so this is loose already, guys. The next step you guys gonna do, you loosen this up, and you have number 10 bolt back here. In this case, it's very difficult to get to, so you're gonna get a number 10. Manny, Manny, look, my socket. Give me the whole thing. It's already on it. Yep.
You don't want the swivel?
No. Here, give it to me. No, give me the whole thing. All right. So you got this. You're gonna loosen it up. See, the 93 models, you can get to it real quick, and these you can. I was gonna say, make sure you don't lose nothing. I should drop the nut. Ah. And now you're gonna see fuel come out. Here we go. There's the other number 10. See, Manny's here. See if you see the 9 right here. All right, guys. So basically, this is the fuel. This is the fuel rail right here. Basically, what you do, you see the clip right here. So it's already clipped. Let me get a towel or something, because see how the fuels continue to come out. Let's light up a cigarette there. Go up. Play with it. It's out. So let me get the fuel filter right now. I looked it up for a minute right now. So basically, oh, this one came with all of them. That's cool. So basically, this is the when you use the aftermarket ones. So you can do this. You can grab that if you're ready. Put it underneath there. Actually, this one goes on the top, and then grab the bottom one. Put it there, and now if there's any fuel left, it's gonna stay here. Now this is ready to put on. Tells you right there, regular, how it goes. And basically, all the aftermarket one comes with it. You find the place, you stick it in, boom, lock in place. And basically, you come out here. You see the little hole right there. place too. Find your number 10 bolt, put it back on. What I hate. There we go. Got it. That's an OEM, original one. You know that? Okay, that's it. That's done. And then you repeat the whole thing back. You make sure that this is in there before you roll this back. So I find that the bolt, I fixed it. We're gonna put this back on. Make sure you never over thread it or whatever you call it.
Over tighten.
No. When you, I can't forget it right now. But when you put the thread back together, you don't wanna over thread. You know, not over tighten. Put the thread on top of the other one because you're gonna have a hard time taking it apart.
Oh, warp it?
Huh?
You mean like warp?
No. Wait. Bro, when I want to say the shit doesn't come out. Yeah, I went that way. Want to get the light? Alright guys, I'm going to show you this. This is the old one right here. This is the new one. You see the difference? See how that one's more shiny? And you see, if you look at it, it's got almost like an oval in it. This is flat. So we're going to use this one on. I'm going to put one in here. Just like that. And then the other one, when you put the fuel rail like this, put the second one underneath. Without that, it's going to leak. So put that on. Hit it real lightly. That's it. All right, Manny. So how we're gonna do this is very easy. We are gonna go ahead and prime the motor. We're not gonna start it. We're gonna turn the key on power. You're gonna hear the fuel pump kick in. Fuel pump is gonna send all the fuel back into it. It's gonna drain all that extra air on the lines. That's what we're doing right now. So Manny's gonna look for the key. He's gonna do that. He's gonna prime the pump 4 or 5 times, and then we're gonna turn the car on. All the way up. Huh? Alright, cool. Alright, turn it over. That's what will happen if you don't get the right rings on them.